So friends, welcome back to our channel Learn with Gigs. In this video, I have invited Samek Gaikwad, who comes from a tier 3 city and now he has cracked the job of a data analyst as a fresher. He got this success after 8 months of hard work, and I believe many of you would relate with his journey. So now, without any further delay, let's see how did he achieve this success. And before that, if you're new to the channel, then do subscribe it for more content like this, as well as you can follow me on Instagram Learn with Gigs, where you will find job related updates regularly with short videos on data analytics domain. And of course friends, you can congratulate him for his hard work and his success in the comment box. Hello Samek, how are you?
Hello, Shashank. I'm good.
Okay, Samek, so I have already given your introduction. So let's start with the first questions. So can you tell the audience about your educational background, what qualification you hold, and from where you belong?
Hi everyone. My name is Samek Gaikwad. I'm from Chandrapur, Maharashtra. This district is nearby the Nagpur. I completed my bachelor degree in electrical engineering from Tier 3 College in 2023.
So Samyak, how did you come to data analytics domain? Like, why did you choose this as your career?
During my final year, I found myself at a crossroad. Coming from the Tier 3 college and with a lower percentage in my 12th, there was no off-campus placement since out of reach. Then I determined to explore new things, and I turned to YouTube for guidance. After through research, I discovered data analytics. Upon realizing my passion for data analytics, I come to the Pune because my city was Tier 3 and there was no learning opportunities in there. So I will join the bootcamp to further enhance my skills.
So you came to Pune and you joined any offline classes, you are saying.
Yes, right.
So how was those offline classes and how much you were charged for those classes?
So the offline classes that I joined was like offering me the some skills like SQL, Excel, Power BI, and little bit of machine learning. And I talk about this fee structure. The fees was 40K.
So you gave around 40,000 to the offline classes, and
Yes,
was
yes.
it fruitful? Was it worth to invest 40,000? And how was your learning during those days?
Yeah, like 40,000 is very big amount for me. Like I'm also middle class person, so basically the in that offline classes they are teaching some basic concepts only, and by paying that much amount of money is not worth.
Then how did you learn the skills properly?
After completing basic learning from the offline classes, then I searched on YouTube for advanced learning. Like I use Topic for the SQL and US channel for the Learn with Gigs channel for Power BI. Then Excel, I basically use Chandu for the Excel. While I was learning, I got an internship as a data analyst. It was like freelancing where I apply what I learn, and I keep improving myself in data analytics at the same time.
So coming from the electrical background, so how did you craft your resume? So many people come from different backgrounds, so definitely they will be eager to know how did you craft your resume. So can you tell the audience about your resume a bit?
Basically, I crafted two resume, like for one for the like for online portal, or and another for the sending personally or in email. Should I show my resume?
Yeah. Please go ahead.
So I used this resume for applying on LinkedIn. I added three projects. One was Power BI, then second one is Power BI plus SQL, and third one is Python. After crafting this resume, I was not able to got the call. So I decided to create another resume according to job description. So I created this resume, and I sending that resume to the directly to the HR.
So basically, what we are saying is that according to the job description, you again modified your resume and created this new resume, and then you used to share this particular resume to your to any of the recruiters, right?
Yes, right.
So what was the ATS score of this particular resume?
ATS score was 80 to 85.
So that's a very important point for all the audience watching this video. So you have to create resume as per the job description, which will actually help you to get the interview call. Basically, increase your chances of getting the interview call, and that's what Samyak did. Earlier, it was not working with the general resume, so he started modifying his resume, and then he used to send the resume. So Samyak, this is about your resume. Now let's talk about your job hunting strategies. What did you do and what helped you to get the interview calls?
During my job search, I created a Naukri profile. Even I paid for the premium account, then hoping to get a notice by recruiter. Since I was new in this field, I didn't get many calls. So I also tried LinkedIn, but no luck there also. So I decided to show off my skill differently. I started sharing what I was learning and my projects on the LinkedIn. I even made a simple portfolio using Capsit Bio and Novi Pro.
Can you show that portfolio so that audience can see how they can also make it?
So here's my LinkedIn profile. I added my portfolio links there. Uh, this is the Capsit Bio I used to attach my links and my resume.
So how somebody can create something like this?
Just go to the Capsit Bio. Uh,
Okay,
yeah,
campsit.bio. So they can go here
yeah,
and they can
Capsit
also
Bio.
create similar something like this.
You can add your projects as well as your personal information.
So here you have given your contact me link, then your resume, then your Power BI projects, then GitHub, then HackerRank certificate for SQL, and then lead code for SQL, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, this is a good way to showcase your all the skills as well as your certification and resume at one place. So you can also utilize this campsit.bio. So is it free platform?
Basically, this is they have some free templates, so you can utilize capsit.5. Apart from my portfolio, I used to upload my daily learnings on LinkedIn. Also, I attach my future projects in LinkedIn profile. Here you can see my daily learning. Uh, Basically, I uploaded all the projects and what I learned about the SQL, and then I write the SQL queries on LinkedIn,
Mm-hmm.
and then I uploaded it daily basis.
Yeah, so that this is again a good learning for all the freshers. So if you are also new to LinkedIn, so you just have to showcase whatever you are learning on a daily basis, just the way Samyak has done. So this will help you to create your online credibility on LinkedIn.
After boosting my online presence, I began connecting with the HR professional and other in the industry on LinkedIn. Once they accepted my request, I sent them personalized message. This approach really worked for me, and I received interview call from the 8 different companies.
So you said that you used to send a personalized message. So can you tell what was that personalized message? Audience can also
Yeah,
utilize
sure.
that.
Yeah, sure.
Hmm.
So this was my personalized message.
So even if you are not having any kind of actual experience, still you wrote it that you have over 1 year of experience.
So this one year experience, like I am creating my portfolio and I creating the projects and working on my upgrading myself since past 1 year. So I'm adding this to get their attention on my profile.
So basically, if I have to conclude it here, so you are approaching to different people in different companies. You are asking for referral, and you are sending your portfolio link also along with that, and which actually helped you to get the interview calls because they provided you the referrals. And you are
Yeah,
saying
right.
through referrals only you got 8 interview calls as a fresher in different companies, right?
Exactly.
So you can see from Samyak's example that Naukri platform didn't work for him. LinkedIn applications also didn't work for him. But since he made his online credibility, he reached out to different people for referral, and ultimately through referral he was able to get 8 interview calls as a fresher. So you can understand the importance of getting referral. So Samyak, you got 8 interview calls. So in how many calls you got rejected, and in how many calls you converted into offers?
After getting calls, like first 5 interview calls was like I'm just knowing what they asked, and I was not able to crack the interviews. After getting rejection in like 4 to 5 calls, I really work hard, and I converted 2 interview calls into offers.
You gave so many interviews, so what all skills were targeted in these interviews?
So they are just focusing on SQL, Excel, and Power BI. You just know the basics. After that, you will definitely crack the interview.
So if somebody has good fundamentals, if they are clear with the fundamentals of all the relevant skills, they can crack the interview as a fresher, right?
Yeah.
So you said you cracked 2 roles. So can you talk about the salary which was offered to you?
Like I got one offer from one Noida company. It was like a very good company. So in that company, the my profile was business analyst, but the salary is like quite low. Then I decided to not go with that offer.
What
Then
what what
I
what was that salary?
that salary was 3 LPA. Now I am working with a large MNC company, and they're offering me good package.
So thank you so much, Samek, for coming and sharing your experience and your journey with the audience. Definitely, they will learn a lot from you, and they can also get motivated from your journey.
Thank you, Shashank. It was nice to connecting with you.